Hey, it's Jason Scheuer with Best Tex Contracting, and I'm over at the workshop that's being built towards Passive House standards. And I wanted to show you we got our windows in, still waiting for our front door, but I wanted to show you how we're installing the windows. So let me take you over there. This is 30 inches by 36 inch windows. I always want to call them 3.0s, but they're actually 2.6 3.0s. They're mill guard, double hung, which is nice. So you got a full screen on here. But one of the things is how we do this. We use this Exto Seal wrapped by Proclima, and we install it around the window and inside of the wood framing, and that allows us to waterproof the wood membrane. Also tie in our Mento 1000 paper wrap. So now this is tied to this is tied to the stud, and then when we get to the inside, we will be tying in our Intello Plus. We'll be wrapping on the inside over here. So we'll bring this paper down and tape it, and then we'll bring it over here, and then we'll tape the Intello Plus to our window after we foam in here and give us a complete air sealed barrier from inside to outside. Okay, we installed our diagonal angle bracing, as you can see, and this structurally helps support the building from moving side to side and back and forth. And we did 6 of them. We're finishing up our last one right now. As you can tell, you can hear them hammering. So one of our goals is when we do these, we get nails in every stud. Also, you can see our windows. We got them installed. We haven't caulked them yet, but we got them plumb and level. And then if you look at the markings on them, we'll just go over to this one. You can see that our U factor is 0.29 right there. Our solar heat gain coefficient is 0.21. Visible light transmittance is 0.45. And then air leakage is equal to or less than 0.3. Double hung. Let's see the operation. You pull up on it, and the automatic lock. That's nice. Okay, so we got our interior vapor barrier on. As you can see, it's the Intello Plus. But one of the other things that we do is we also wrap our tape from the vapor barrier onto our window. This completes our air sealing techniques. We also did it on the outside. Well, let me show you. It's this stuff right here. It's a stretch tape. This happens to be the zip system stretch tape. We also have the Encore, but the other thing that we do is we make sure we have it all the way across the bottom. So we're air sealing, we're water sealing, and we're vapor sealing down at the bottom, at all of our seams, around our window openings, up on our gable ends. So any opening that is installed gets a complete vapor wrap around it, so we don't have a problem with water and air coming in, and we're controlling vapor diffusion.